23门 A 阮厝有2个门 B 请你去关门 C 啥物人袂去开门 D 门还袂关，你去关 E 我的衫伫门面遐
My clothes are on the door.
24若是 A 你若买去，我嘛买去 B 朋友若来，我要请因食饭 C 这若爱真济钱，我无爱买 D 若有咖啡，我买啉咖啡，若无，我买啉茶25领 A 我有2领，你有几领 B 衫一领92箍，你买无 C 一领若53箍，你买偌济 D 伫遮有一领衫甲一领裤26呢 A 恁太太有伫厝呢无 B 你的原子笔伫我的衫呢遐 C 伊伫门呢遐底看啥物 D 伫我的册呢我有写一寡字 E 请恁来阮厝呢坐，好无27朋友 A 阮2个是好朋友 B 我有真济朋友 C 朋友若来，我爱请因 D 恁朋友讲要来，有来无
Your friend said he would come. Did he come? Note well 1. The same rule holds for banyu as for husband, wife, teacher, etc. See Lesson 4, Possessive Case, Rule 5, page 84. This rule is also true in respect to all relatives. Father, etc. Note well 2. Ling banyu, both ling and banyu may be either singular or plural.
28本 A 你有几本册 B 我买册，这一本爱偌济 C 若买一本爱51箍，买2本94箍 D 你爱看册无？我遮有一本29 3 A 伊无衫，你买几领互伊 B 我钱互你买衫，好无 C 阮太太无去倒位，在洗衫 D 这毋是我的衫，是伊的30衫裤、衫仔裤 A 伊去中华买真济衫裤 B 阮先生穿的衫裤我去买无
I went to buy my husband's clothes but couldn't find the right thing.
阮先生穿的衫裤
Means the type that my husband usually wears.
C 伊在洗衫裤，伊还袂食饭 D 伊在卖衫裤，你买无31洗 A 阮厝的衫裤是阮太太在洗
Literally. My family's clothes it is my wife washes them. Here, de se does not mean that she is washing right now.
B 你要去倒位洗衫 C 我要去中华，衫互你洗，好无 D 我洗你的衫，你洗我的裤，好无 E 衫真济还袂洗，我无买甲恁去32姓名 A. 请你写你的姓名。B. 伫我的万年笔里有写我的姓名。C. 我有写姓名，若无写，毋是我的。34. 窗仔门。A. 阮厝有真侪窗仔门。B. 请你去开窗仔门。C. 我洗衫，你去洗窗仔门。D. 窗仔门无关，你去关。35. D. A. 因伫遐底看啥物 ？B. 伫遮请你写你的大名。C. 伫遮有一寡果子，恁爱食无 ？D. 因无人伫厝呢。E. 杨先生有去伫你遐无？36. 倒位？倒位？倒？搭 A. 你要去倒位？我要去中华，我无要去倒位。B. 伫倒位爱写姓名。C. 这伫倒位买。D. 伫倒位有人伫卖册。E. 你要去倒位读册？我甲你去，好无？